Hello. This is Anna from Sweet Lassteens, Desserts for All Occasions, the dessert queen. And so today is St. Patrick's Day, and I thought I would come on. I'm a little late because on Sundays I usually go and take my granddaughter home. She visits me sometimes on the weekend. So since it is St. Patrick's Day, I thought I would come on and give you a little history of the shamrock. The shamrock has been a symbolic of many things over the years, according to the legends. The shamrock was a sacred plant because that's in Ireland, and its leaves are like a tripod or a triad, and three was a mystical number in the Celtic region. And when you get four leaves on it, they call it a four-leaf clover. So, in lure of, they said that in the 19th century, it became a symbol of rebellion, and anyone wearing a risk being put to death by hanging. But today, the shamrock is the most recognized symbol of the Irish, especially on St. Patrick's Day, when all over the world everyone is Irish for a day. And so today at church, we had a pancake breakfast, and so they had all the decorations and everything there in green and white. And so what I'm doing today, I am going to do cupcakes again, and they're done in white, and I made my green. This is my green icing. And I made my green icing, and I used my Color Right, which is drips of yellow and blue. And I decided I wanted to add a little texture to it or something different, so I used my peppermint vitality oil. So the green is like a mint thing, and this is I only use one drop. But this is a oil that you can cook with. So I put some of this into my icing so that my cupcake will be there. And so today I'm going to use, I have 4 cupcakes that I plan to do. And I am going to use a tip 12, which what this is. I am going to open this up and put a little green down into my bag, and I am going to decorate the cups. Now, the other day I did the decoration. Let me get this down in here good. And so I'm going to pipe just circle. The circle tip is a circle tip, and they come in different sizes. But I thought I would possibly try to make some balloons. So that's what I'm going to do. So I wanted to put those little circles on there first. But you can, let me see how many tips I got. See, make sure. But you can also decorate a whole cupcake in the with this circle one. So if I wanted to, I could just go around the edges like so. And we have, can you see that? We have the green cupcake. So I made those circles. So I'm going to take the tips, removing the tips. So I'm going to put on a tip 3, which is what this one is. And I'm interchanging my tips. And I want to put some, because these are supposed to be balloons. So I'm just going to squeeze out a little icing to make a balloon. And then I'm going to kind of tie it so it looks like it's kind of tied at the end, so you can see the balloon effect with that. And then I want to, I don't want to spill this. I wanted to do, and this is a different type of tip where I'm going to put this on, and this is a leaf tip that I'm putting on now. And I'm going to put my green here, in here. A little green. Let me get a, I didn't make too much. Push it down. And so this makes a leaf. And you hold it a certain way, and you get a leaf on your, and all of these tips you can do more than one thing with it, but this one here is a leaf tip, and so I'll show you the leaves in a few minutes. So you can just get a different effect, so you can see the leaves going around on this one. And then the last one that I'm going to show you is a petal tip. So this is called a petal tip, and it makes a make sure I get it on here. It makes a petal. So, and if you notice how I hold the bag, that I hold the bag a little different for each one of these. So just to give you a little idea, since it's St. Patrick's Day, I thought I would do green, and I know it's kind of late, just to demonstrate. So this is the leaf. I'm gonna put a little leaf in the center, and so there you have the petal. This is the petal tip. The petal. This is just the circles, and then I made the balloons. Ooh. I hit the balloon, and then the leaf tip. So just a little bit, so that you can, if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about the cake decorating or anything like that, you can put a 1 down in the column. I am going to be having some classes eventually, and when I have them, I would like to send out notifications to you. So, and I hope this was helpful, a little bit of history on the Shamrock and St. Patrick's Day, and I thought I would come on and do St. Patrick's Day cupcakes. So have a great one. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.